A black man came to Birmingham, Alabama, and built the pyramid. Hello, family. My name is Black Phoenix, and I'm the owner of Hog On Welding. I built this shipping container conversion for Your Chef restaurant in Birmingham, Alabama. And my goal was to live to be remembered. I wanted to come to the city and actually do something that would outlive me. So I came here, I built something as an independent black owner. I actually teach and educate, and I also show people how to build generational wealth. We have to turn a trade into a business, family, and that's where I specialize in. I teach our young black man how to get the trade, and not only just keep a trade to keep them in the box, but they can transcend that trade into a business. Just like Dr. King came to the city and he was fighting for our people, I come to help educate our people and help build some generational wealth and help us get some products, because I realize it's products over talent. Once we get the talent, we got to build products, family. Here's one of my products. This product right here can help people make money, and this guy's going to be able to pass on some generational wealth to his family, and that's how I built the pyramid. Hog on.